Quran Stories with Muskan and Sarah. I am bored of this slide. I will play with my teddy now. Teddy, you are my best friend, right? No. Teddy is my best friend. Give it to me. Sarah, you should ask politely. And we should not speak rudely. I want the doll now.
What's going on? What?
Mommy. Sarah hit me with that hammer.
Why, what happened?
She hit me because I asked her to speak politely.
Sarah, why did you do that?
I did not beat her. No, she did, Mommy.
Okay. Let me tell you a story of Lukman the Wise man.
Okay, Mommy.
Now stop fighting and sit down to hear the story.
So you guys are here. I was searching for you in the entire house.
Daddy. Mommy is about to start a story about Lukman the Wise man. Do you want to listen?
Yes, my darling. Let me come and sit down.
Long, long ago there lived a wise man named Lukman. Allah made him wise and he was thankful for it. Lukman and his son were carpenters. One fine day he decided to give his son some advice. He went to his son and said,
Oh, my son. Today I am going to give you an important and valuable advice which you have to remember until you live on this earth.
Oh, my father. Please tell me.
My son. My first and important advice to you is that do not associate anything with Allah. Associating anything with Allah is a terrible mistake any human on this earth can do. The next important thing you need to know is, Allah sees and hears everything. Nothing is hidden from Him. Though it be the weight of a grain of a mustard seed. Though it be hidden in the rock, or in the heavens, or the earth. Allah will bring it forth on the day of judgment. Truly, Allah is the knower of all things.
He further went on to give more advice. Lukman said to his son,
The next important thing you need to remember is to say your prayers regularly. Enjoin good, forbid evil. And endure patiently whatever may befall you. And finally, O my son, do not avert your face from the people out of haughtiness or walk with pride on earth. Allah does not love boastful and arrogant people. Walk modestly and lower your voice. For the ugliest of all the voices is the braying of an ass.
Lukman gave the most valuable advices. And after listening his son replied,
Oh, my father. Verily I will remember and implement all the advice you have provided me throughout my life on this earth.
Very good. May Allah guide you, my son. That was such a great piece of advice Lukman gave to his son.
So true. Now let us repeat the advice Lukman gave to his son. So who will tell the first one?
Mommy, me. We should not associate anything with Allah.
Excellent. Who will tell the second advice Lukman gave?
Nothing is hidden from Allah. Even if it's small as a mustard seed. Even it is hidden anywhere in the rocks, or heavens, or the earth.
Very true. So Sarah, now did you understand that nothing can be hidden from Allah?
Yes, Mommy. I won't tell any lies from now on. I now understand that we cannot hide anything from Allah.
Very good. Now, Sarah, can you say the next advice Lukman gave?
Yes, Mommy. He said to do prayers regularly. Do good and be patient.
Very good. Now the last one. I guess it's my chance now. The final advice Lukman gave to his son is not to avert face out of haughtiness and walk with pride on earth, as Allah does not love boastful and arrogant people.
Mashallah, Mummy. We will remember and implement all the advice Lukman gave to his son.
Mashallah. Now let's get back to work now.
Okay, Mommy. Please subscribe to Quran and Hadith for Kids. For more videos, hit the bell icon now.